Hi everybody, this is Chris Sainsbury at UX Connections. Today I'm going to be answering the question, can UX help with MVP definition? Now you might be wondering what an MVP is. Well, it stands for minimum viable product, and it's a phrase that came to prominence around 15 years ago with a book called The Lean Startup, and that put forward a number of ideas about bringing products to market quickly, testing hypotheses, and defining an MVP or minimum viable product is really important in that, because it allows you to strip away any features that aren't going to add maximum value for your users, or also importantly test hypotheses that you have about product market fit and how your product specifically is going to be meeting the needs of your users. So where does UX come in? Well, UX helps you do value engineering, which means prioritizing certain features above others in defining your MVP, because you want your MVP feature set to be very tight, like I say, mapped against hypotheses that you want to test within your audience, and also achievable and buildable by your tech team. So the three Venn diagram circles that we're considering in MVP definition is the business, the user, and technology, and the importance of any given feature to those three areas of influence. So the user is where you consider, will this bring user benefit and make the product good for them? The business is where you consider whether this is bringing business benefit. It might be paid for features that are bringing benefit to the business, or brand awareness raising features. And finally the technology, which is often we do t-shirt sizing, which is small, medium, large, or extra large for sizing your features, just a broad brush at this MVP definition stage. And once you get an idea from your tech teams of those sizing of the features, that's where you can start to prioritize your features based on the business and the user needs that we've talked about. So UX scoping is really important in getting that prioritized MVP list, that prioritized product backlog, and then moving into wireframing and user journeys, which comes next. So that's how UX can help with MVP definition. Thanks for listening.